How to turn on voice to text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Scroll down and turn on the Enable Dictation option in the English section. Tap on Enable Dictation to confirm. Dictation sends information like your voice input, contacts, and location to Apple when necessary for processing your requests. You can now manage the other options as well, like show math results, smart punctuation, delete slide to type by word, and more if you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on voice to text on iPhone.